All right, you guys. So look, in dealing with your Go board and everything like that, we love these washers. They are the Go board washers. Lowe's has the exact washer. Only difference is the Go board washers have the 4 little prongs on the back. Lowe's washers only have 2 instead of 4. They're both great. And the reason we like them is because the screw by itself, I know a lot of people just use the screws. But when you add this much more to the screw, it makes it so much more stronger. We're done. I just want to give you a demonstration here of the one, but not really to put them in or the use of them. I want to show you the benefit and what we do. Just push that right in. Now, what you're looking for is to sink it flat, and you want a little dip in it. That dip is so when you go over it with that sealant, it fills in and kind of flushes everything out like this one. But I've seen a lot of people use sticks, just fingers, gloves, all kinds of stuff. Let me show you. Look, everybody's got one of these, I bet you. Take that little caulking tool. Get that blob. Work that right side, just like that. And then set it flat and run all that through. And then I go back every kind of direction here just to make sure that all those little grooves, but see, it keeps all that off your hands, keeps everything looking nice. And then as you can see, this is what it looks like when it's all done. So we're getting ready to stick with us. We're getting ready to drop in and float this floor. We got pretty rock and tile getting ready to go on, so we'll keep you posted. All right, y'all, so we got our FlowFX drain sitting stationary. I've got the laser set to our pitch line. Okay, the tar paper down here is to keep the water from getting sucked out of our deck mud. And then the metal lathe is going to help strengthen all that deck mud, so we put a layer it down. We set our drain. It's all perfect and level. And now we have our laser line here to get our screed line. So now we're going to start putting the deck mud down and rolling on with the shower. All right, you guys, that's it. That's it for the day. We are pitched to perfection. So we're ready. We'll be going on with other things starting tomorrow. The waterproofing, the membrane, the band, the 4 corners. Laying out all our, there's our pretty rock tile that's going to go in here. We're going to be putting the niche in here later. Be flood testing all this. It's going to be pretty.